You're probably paying for AI right now, but what if AI started paying you? Today, we're diving into 5 real tools that reward you for using them. No coding, no startup costs. We'll explore how creators earn from their art, how affiliates get recurring checks, and how automation builds passive income. Let's dive straight in. First up, creative platforms like KREA and Runway ML. These platforms allow you to upload your AI-generated visuals. It's simple. Create unique AI art, upload it, and make sure to tag it well. You get paid whenever someone remixes, licenses, or reuses your work. Think of it like stock photo royalties, but for AI art. Your art isn't just for fun. It's feeding AI models and earning you money. Next, let's explore affiliate programs that actually pay you. Tools like OpenAI, Jasper, Writesonic, and Synthesia all reward you when people sign up through your referral link. Turn your experience into short tutorials or posts, drop your link, and earn recurring commissions. Each helpful piece of content becomes a digital salesperson that never sleeps. Here's a sneaky one most people miss: combining Beehiiv with AI writers. ChatGPT helps you write each issue of your newsletter, which Beehiiv then publishes. Beehiiv has a boost feature that pays you whenever readers subscribe to partner newsletters through yours. Your AI-written newsletter quietly becomes a referral engine that compounds over time. Now for my favorite, YouTube automation with AI clips. ChatGPT writes your script, 11 Labs gives it a human-sounding voice, and Pictory or CapCut turns it into video. Once your channel hits the partner program threshold, YouTube literally deposits ad revenue payments every month. You're building digital assets that earn 24/7. Fifth on the list, automation marketplaces like Zapier and Make.com. These platforms pay or feature creators who share useful automations. Build a simple workflow, publish it publicly with your affiliate link, and earn when others use it. You built it once, and the internet keeps running it for you. As a quick bonus, platforms like Hugging Face and Stability AI run periodic bounty or dataset programs. They pay contributors who submit creative samples or labeled data that improve their models. It's an easy way to earn while helping train the next generation of AI. Here's how to start. Pick just one platform. Sign up and explore its payout or referral options, and use ChatGPT to create content that promotes it. Reinvest your first earnings to build your next AI income stream. So, 5 AI tools that pay you. Proof that AI isn't just a cost. It's a paycheck waiting to happen. If this episode gave you ideas, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because tomorrow, I'm sharing my 7-day AI money experiment. You won't want to miss that one.